Hi, I'm Chardonnay Copeland. I am the academic advisor for the Wright School of Business here at Dalton State. Today I will be sharing a few tips and tricks to make your registration process a lot easier this semester moving forward. Go ahead and check your email. All communication is done through your Dalton State email, as well as any deadlines that come through. Those will be posted there in an email to you for you to review. The best way to plan out your registration is to do it early. Anytime that you are looking at your next semester's coursework, you will get notified from an academic advisor that it's time to start planning. Take a moment to review your DegreeWorks page and start to look at any program pathways that are available for your major. Always, always, always check any prerequisites for the courses that you are planning to take for the next semester. This can be found in the course catalog, your DegreeWorks page, and typically on your program pathway for your major. We will be notifying you as soon as it's time to start looking at the fall schedule and when it is available to preview. Students that are about to graduate, make sure you check the graduation application deadlines every semester. The deadline will always be the semester before you are planning to graduate. DegreeWorks is a feature to help you plan out your future. You can plan out your classes for the next semester, look at your current options available, as well as track your progress towards graduation. You can use the what if feature to see what it would look like if you were interested in changing your major. And you can also look at degree requirements, how many classes you have left, as well as courses needed for your individual program. To access DegreeWorks, visit the Dalton State website, click on the Quick Links tab at the top right of the page. Click on Roadrunner Portal. You will need to sign in using your Dalton State login credentials, and once you've done so, you should have a Students tab on the far left side of the screen. Click there, and then on that drop-down list, click DegreeWorks. It will pull up your page based on your current major and catalog year. I hope that you have found these registration tips useful as you get ready to start planning your upcoming semester. If you have any questions, please contact your academic advisor today. We have now moved to the Roberts Library to the second floor in the Advising Center. Start this process early to save yourself a lot of stress and others. Thank you. Bye-bye.